Sterling McCall Lexus Clear Lake is here to help you learn about the available engine of the 2023 Lexus IS, as well as its top speed, horsepower, and 0 to 60 time. This dramatic midsize sedan's available engine starts with a 2-liter 4-cylinder, with an optional 3.5-liter V6 and optional 5-liter V8 engine. Its top speed is between 143 and 149 miles per hour, depending on trim level. The horsepower of the 2023 Lexus IS ranges from 241, 260, 311, and all the way up to 472 HP depending on the trim level. And finally, the 0 to 60 time ranges from 6.9 seconds down to 4.4 seconds, depending on the trim level for the 2023 model year. To learn more about the 0 to 60 time, horsepower, top speed, and available engine of the 2023 Lexus IS in Houston, visit us online or in person at Sterling McCall Lexus Clear Lake. Like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this. We look forward to serving you.